Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and I am currently sitting in the bow of the incredibly comfortable Aviara AV36 Outboard. Can't wait to show you this boat. This is the light gray upholstery. You'll notice how we've got the sculpted foam. You'll find that throughout the boat. It's incredibly comfortable. Very high gunnels. This is a very deep, safe, and secure feeling boat. We currently have the bow filler cushion in place with the bow table all the way in the down position, so we have a huge lounging area for sunbathing. We have 8 cup holders throughout the front, recessed speakers that are really well done, charging ports on both sides, a stereo remote on the port side, and billet aluminum in a satin metal finish for safety and comfort, which you'll find throughout the boat as well. We also have the white interior gel coat, complemented with the dark navy blue exterior gel. Quick shot of the exterior on this AV36 Outboard from Aviara. Navy blue top side with a white accent and white bottom. White hardtop. Stainless steel rub rail. Beautiful lines on this boat. You see the silver satin finish ties in really nicely. And then with the engines in matching white. Now we'll make our way back inside. Making our way towards the cockpit area, we do have a block-off door that we can combine with closing off the windshield. So this protects the cockpit from the elements on those cooler running days. That door stows away nice and clean. Continuing on the port side, got a really nice, comfortable observer seat with a high backrest. Cup holders are conveniently located here. You can even flip up this bolster if you want to sit a little more upright and be a little higher up. Over to the helm area, we've got a double wide helm with 2 bolsters. Very comfortable place to sit and operate this boat. You do have a steering wheel on a tilt base with an angled footrest. This boat is incredibly comfortable to drive, whether you're seated, you're in a leaning position, or you're just standing upright. Feels like you're driving a sports car. I like to just park my offhand here on the windshield, drive with one hand. I've got a huge touchscreen SIMRAD unit here in the center. The screen on the far left controls everything on the boat, from lights to pumps to the sure shade, the engine compartment, and then I've got an engine dedicated screen here with the Mercury vessel view. Charging port here for your phone, auto trim tabs, digital throttle and shift, joystick control with Skyhook and autopilot. We've got a console box here with a USB port. We also have cooled cup holders, and they do a great job of keeping your drinks cold. If you have somebody who's shorter or a child operating the boat, there is a fold-down platform here to give them some little bit of extra support for their feet. That way their legs aren't dangling if they're seated, and they've got more visibility if they're standing upright. Coming back to the cockpit, great seating throughout, L-shaped seating. Continuing with that nice high backrest, which you'll find everywhere on board. Not an uncomfortable place to sit, and you can cram a ton of people here very comfortably. There's storage beneath all of these seats, and this storage space continues throughout this whole port side. So you can put longer items in there. We've got the cockpit table currently stowed, the bow shade receptacles are down there. It's a great area for beach bags, extra life jackets. There are 2 trash receptacles on this boat. One you can access beneath this seat or behind this billet aluminum door. So if you want to throw away an empty drink, you don't have to displace a passenger to get to that trash can. On the starboard side, you got the gourmet wet bar area with a Corian countertop. Wet bar on the port side there. Grill, storage / cooler box. And then beneath the countertops, we have a pull-out cooler on a drawer and 2 refrigerator freezer combos. Further back, we have that second trash can. Cup holders to the right of the wet bar. You've got a fuel fill on both sides. You can dock to either side when you're pulling up to the fuel station. This boat does have an aft-powered sunshade that extends all the way to here, so you can fully shade the transom area. You also have stainless steel poles that snap into place, so you can support that shade when you're running at speed. On the transom area, you've got this huge sun lounge area, which is a very comfortable place to seat 3 or 4 adults. But you can also very comfortably have 6 couples here, all facing the water with a designated place to sit without standing on top of each other. I can have 3 on this front row, and then I can have 3 on these bar stools that raise up. When you're anchored or beached, this is an awesome place to hang out and a great configuration here to get 6 people back here very comfortably. All of these backrests ratchet back down, and you also have great storage beneath these seats. Battery switches are to the port side along with your shore power connections. We've got a freshwater fill and a freshwater sprayer that's got hot and cold. And then you have your outboard engine flush connection, so you can flush all 3 engines with one single hose. Full walkthrough along the transom, again, continuing with that C-deck flooring. 300 V8 Verados pushes this boat incredibly well. It's a mid-50s boat, gets on plane very quickly. Again, joystick powered. A couple more things I want to show you before we sign off. Fender storage, dedicated fender storage. Beneath this locker here, got a billet aluminum block-off door. That's nice and tall, keep the kids or dogs safely inside. And then lastly, we want to show you the cabin. So this console door is on a magnetic catch. Got a porthole here, window. But nice height in the cabin. You got 6 feet of headroom. Got a sound bar, TV on a mount, microwave, and then you've got a table that's in place all the way in the down position with a filler cushion on top. So you've got a nice bed area, especially if you want to do any overnighting down here on a quick weekend or a single overnight stay, or if you just need a place to throw the kids down for a nap, this is a great place to do that. Or if you get stuck in some weather. I've also got a backrest that comes up right here and then lays back down. Distribution panel and cabinet style storage is on the starboard side. Another storage locker here. This area is also air conditioned. And then inside your head area, nice countertop, tile flooring, porcelain toilet, and a pull-out sink for a shower. So that's a look at Aviara's AV36 Outboard. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.